Hello, everyone, and welcome to Parsons Memorial Elementary School's 2020 Virtual Open House. My name is Mark Woodard. I'm the very proud principal of Parsons Memorial Elementary School, and we're so happy to have you here with us, joining us for our first ever virtual open house. Our open house this year will be much like the learning that's taking place in our classrooms. We'll be working through a hybrid model. Some of our conversations and presentations will be pre-recorded videos, as well as live classroom conversations via Zoom with your classroom teachers. As we begin, I'd like to say it's been wonderful to see all of our children both in school as well as learning from home, engaging with each other, engaging with their teachers, getting back to work, working hard, and learning so much. It's wonderful to be with and see all of your children learning together as a community here at Parsons.
And I'm Stephanie Goldman, the assistant principal at Parsons. And we would like to take some time to thank you, the parents, for all of your support and your guidance, whether it's for your patience during arrival and dismissal, which has been going very smoothly so far, or your collaboration in managing the technology. Your partnership is much appreciated. And we also wanted to thank the PTA for the behind the scenes work they're already doing to support the school community and plan events for the children. And also a big thank you goes out to all of the Parsons children. They have adapted to our new school routines of wearing a mask, spacing themselves out, and having mask breaks.
Yes, they've all certainly done a wonderful job, and thank you all, as Ms. Goldman said. As you all know, some of our students are learning here with us in school, and some of our students are learning virtually at home. No matter however our students are learning, you've seen that we've certainly prioritized and put a premium on the connections, as we always have, between our teachers and our students. The relationships that we make are always of the utmost importance. To that end, our students have been engaging in connections and meetings with teachers, whether they're learning from home as well as when they're coming into school each and every day. We've prioritized small group meetings as well as personalized, individualized, differentiated instruction to make sure we're meeting the needs of all of our students and learners as we've entered into this new school year. We've done a wonderful job. Our students have done a wonderful job beginning the year, resetting the routines, as Ms. Goldman mentioned. And as we've moved into October already, we're moving deeper into our curriculum, and students are becoming more and more independent as learners in their learning in the classroom, as well as learning at home, becoming more independent with their technology and their work throughout.
While tonight may be on Zoom in your home, in your bedroom, in your living room, it will feel similar to a former open house experience. You will hear about the curriculum instruction that your children is experiencing. You'll hear about the technology of Seesaw or Google Classroom, whichever one your child uses on a daily basis. You'll hear about the ideas of what the classroom looks like and almost feel like you're in the classroom itself. And also ways to support your children when they are learning from home and you're there to support them and help them. After this evening, as in the past, you can always reach out to your teachers, Mr. Woodard, or I to help answer any questions that you may have throughout the entire school year. Also take some time this evening to look at the other messages and presentations from Parsons teachers that are on our district and building website.
Thank you, Ms. Goldman, and thank you all once again for your ongoing support and partnership throughout this school year. We couldn't have done all of this without you, without all of your work and support together. We will continue to work together throughout this school year to make it as successful as we can for each and every one of our students. Thank you all once again. Enjoy the presentations, and we look forward to a wonderful rest of the year. Bye, everyone.